Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Annie Bowles and I'm a stem cell scientist here at FACTORFIVE. You know by now that our proprietary ingredient, human stem cell conditioned media, is a collection of powerful protein signals that are naturally produced by adult stem cells in your skin every day. These proteins would normally be expressed just below your skin and would work to restore and remodel your skins from the inside out. At FACTORFIVE, all of our products are concentrated with these very same protein signals. When you apply our products to the surface of your skin, you're getting that same positive effect in the form of skin remodeling from the outside in. We're essentially taking those restorative proteins from the cells in our labs, bottling up in our formulation, and allowing you to put them on your skin at home. This represents 100% a natural and biological way for your skins to return to beautiful and vibrant health. And healthy skin is beautiful skin. Just look at some of our unparalleled results achieved in just 4 weeks of using our products. And now you know how it all works together. Because at FACTORFIVE, we humanize skincare.